Right, what I'm going to do in this video is demonstrate how to solder a resistor into the component spots here. So what we're going to do first is take the resistor and bend the two legs up. You'll find the 4K7 spot, which is what this one is. I'm going to place it through these two holes. Flip it to the back. With needle nose pliers, pull it through the holes and bend the legs a little bit to the side. Okay, at this point I'm going to hold it into my holder. Alright, I'll just get that focused right on that component there. So I'm going to apply my soldering iron. I'm going to apply some solder to the end. Give it a clean. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to touch, this is the most important part, I want to hold the iron tip right on the hole and the little piece of wire sticking out. So right at the joint of those two. And I'm going to apply solder until you see the solder flow into the hole and on the pin. It's about 3 seconds and lift it off. Not sure if we can get a close-up of that. But ideally what you're looking for is basically a little triangular mountain of solder above the hole onto the pin. From here we'll take the wire cutters and trim that as low as it can go. I'll do one more real quick. So once again, a little bit of solder on the iron. Hold it on the join between the hole and the actual wire itself. Apply a little bit of solder and watch for it to flow into the hole. Let go. And you'll see it's created a little mountain of solder. Now snip off the edge as close as you can. And that's just what you've just joined a resistor to the pads on the circuit board. Now, there's one thing to be aware of. If you got multiple holes close to each other, you don't want any of the solder to flow in between the holes. If that occurs, what you need to do is get out this device. So you'll need to push it in, and it's going to create a little vacuum. So basically, you press the button, it sucks the solder out. So I'll give you a demo. If I was to stuff up and put solder into one of the holes by accident, we'll demonstrate on this one. So here I've got a ball of solder in the wrong spot. What I'm going to do now, and this takes a bit of practice, but I'm going to heat up this hole and have my tip close by, and when it's hot and melted I'll suck it out. It may sometimes take a couple goes. Just there, it sucked out the little bits, and it will come out of the sucker when it's done. That's good, Shay.